spy helicopter. Okay, let's go ahead and put the gun down, and then let's go ahead and turn on the spy helicopter, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn this guy on, and then see what this guy can do. First flight. Actually my second flight already, so let's go ahead and just top this up. It's a bit windy, so let's go ahead and go over here.
Can it keep up with electric water gun? Is this waterproof or water resistant?
And then we're gonna go ahead. I mean, everything on this thing is good. I mean, it moves, I like it, but the video quality wasn't even that great. I mean, if it has a good quality as Tello, it would be a nice keeper. And of course, we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see. I mean, the bottom position sensing is not even holding. It does hold sometimes. We're gonna go and check it out. Yep, just got shot. Look at that. Boah, 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 boah. Okay. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, fast. Whoa! Spy helicopter! Boom! It's dead. It's dead. Oh, I'm sorry. Is it? It's dead. Is it dead? Oh, it's dead. What's the matter? Oh, wow. Already? Come on. It looked like it's like. Can it still fly? Let's go ahead. It should be able to fly again. It's some reason he lost connections. But go this way with it. Here, this is what it's good at. Aim. Oh! That's awesome, guys. Is it dead? Oh, it's still alive. Oh, I lost video. Hold on. Okay, it's not lost. Ooh, we still got a flight. Let's go again one more time. All right. Watch this. Still alive? This blind helicopter will not quit, guys. Uh-oh. It will not quit. You never want to quit. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. You have to hold it like this. Okay. I think it's already dead. Yeah, you lost video already. Okay, we'll do it one time. Yeah. Here you go. Yep, it's dead. Interestingly.